Start, Shape, Generative Shape Design. Our first product is going to be packaging. I'll save it with the name right away. Plane, Color Sketch, and let's learn a bit about surfaces. Let's create it first, add a diameter of 60, let's finish the workbench. Let's take that command, fill. It will give a small thickness. Let's click on that plane and we're going to call the sketch and we're going to project that line in the middle. Projection here, click on the line, click on the plan, finish the workbench to confirm. And there's our line. Let's dismember our body. Now let's click on that plane, let's call it a new sketch. Take command line, I'm not even going to paste that line much. Take our quota and place our line horizontally. Take the dot here, right-click, vertical, 36. Zooming in and holding Ctrl you will get the tip of that line and the black tip, it comes up here under the restrictions where it matches. Let's come here now and we're going to load our axis, it's an imaginary axis. He took the remote control. This one over here, 15 degrees. Let's finalize our workbench, we're not going to use it anymore, we can give hide/show. Will come in the revolve command. Just take him, it's going to be that one, he wants to play in the middle, it has to be 360, but they will right-click on the Z-axis and they will complete this whole union. Let's take it now, let's do it OK. Let's give a join on that surface, this and that and OK. Let's come on hide/show to hide. Let's come here and get edge fillet, click here, preview, 3,5, let's do it OK. At first we will work without the edges. Now we have a master's job. Let's click on that plane, call the sketch. Let's take that point, let's make a point here. A dot here, a dot in the middle here. And let's count this half compared to here, at least 13 in distance. The one here in relation to that point, in height, can place 36. This one over here in relation to this one, vertically, we're going to put 11. Now I'm going to give escape to cancel the command. Take that point, come to mirror, take that plan and play it up there. Once that's done, take the spline, a dot here and a dot here, closed. I'm finalizing our workbench. Let's click on that plane and call a sketch. Sketch is as follows, we can use this 3.1. We're going to click here and we're going to create the curvature in reverse. Then we do a test to see what this curvature will look like. Just click here, click here. Let's put coincidence. At first we are going to finalize the workbench and go to this command, and I'll take this one, plus this one, and I'm going to give you a preview. What did he create? Created a layer down there. For you to understand. Once that's done, let's go OK and come up with a circular pattern. Let's take sweep. Our reference will be here. At first we'll set 6 to 60 degrees to see what happens. It just can't match. It crashed. It might be okay. Don't worry. Now, let's come to trim this one, other side, get out, work it again, trim, this one, that, other side, they all came out. Right-click here, hide/show, right-click, hide/show. To stay on a cool deal, let's come to fillet, let's start placing the fillets. Here, here, here. Let's put 3.5 so as not to stray too far from the standard. Part of our packaging has already been created. We are going to do this video step by step because it is very large.